Hi, Gary Port for NY Divorce Facts in Port and Sava, here with Kosho, Yuzu, Azuki, and what are you doing in that cage, Matcha? That's not your cage. That's the teal's cage. As people who may have watched these videos have realized, the teals and the green cheeks do not get along. So there's absolutely no chance whatsoever that Kosho will step out with Azuki or that Matcha will step out with Yuzu. But adultery does happen, and I see that quite a bit in my business. The question I get asked very frequently, if my spouse has committed adultery, does that mean I get the house? And the answer to that is no. New York does not recognize adultery as a reason to adjust equitable distribution. Merely because someone cheated does not mean that you're going to get more of the assets. That may sound wrong, but in divorce, we're not looking at morality. We're looking at economics. So it may be morally wrong for someone to have committed adultery, but in the law, we're not going to penalize that person for committing adultery. There is an exception to that rule. If someone used marital resources on a paramour, well, we can get that money back. For example, I had a case where we discovered through bank records that the husband had bought his girlfriend an engagement ring for $50,000 while still married to my client and using a marital bank account. We were able to get that money back. I had another case where the husband took money out of his IRA, put it into his girlfriend's bank account. We found that by getting the records from his IRA company, tracing it to the girlfriend's bank account, and we got the money back. So if you use marital money on your paramour, we will get that money back in the divorce. But the court's not just going to penalize someone saying, oh, gee, you're a bad person because you committed adultery, your spouse is going to get more of the property. I'm sorry, that just doesn't happen. So keep this in mind. We don't penalize someone for committing adultery, but if they use marital resources to give a gift or support their paramour, that money will come back into the divorce. If you have any questions on this or any other topic in divorce, remember, call us at Port and Sava for a free 15-minute consultation. We help you get on with the rest of your life.